Hello teacher, my name is Huỳnh. I will present my proposal about comprehension the idiom through the context. The issues that I can see from my learning life at school, society, social network related to linguistics and culture. From the perspective of a language student, I realize that linguistics and culture are playing an important role in life, especially at school. EFL students like us are constantly exposed to different aspects of linguistics and culture, so problems occur very often, such as too much new knowledge about the culture to learn, difficulties when learning subjects on language study. And this idea came from the general translation course that I took in my second year. I find that when we students are exposed to idioms, almost all of them feel the same vagueness, and that makes me want to find out what is causing this problem. The purpose of this study is to provide some solution on how to learn, understand as well as translate idioms for students based on the courses which cause difficulties when translating idioms observed during the study. Research question, history question: what is the role of idiom? What are the methods that students often use when translating idioms? And is context really effective when translating for students? For question 1, this provides the data from previous researchers on the role of idioms in the communication or academic environment of the language student. And research question 2 will tell me the ways the students often use to translate the meaning of any idiom in a text or song. For example, self-translating based on context using translation software for help. And research question 3 will be the outcome of this study, building on previous available research to support the theory that context play an important role in idiom translation. The study of idioms is also a topic on which I work with my team. I have learned about the concept of idioms, context, translation, so on. Besides, I also refer to many previous studies on this topic. This topic was studied by Busra Nima this year. He also gave the research that learners can translate idiom from one language to another when their context and understanding of situation when translating is essential. But the study has not mentioned other methods that learners apply when translating idioms besides relying on context. I learned to use questionnaire to collect data in my research. I found some confusing idioms in various documents and make available translation for participants to choose from. And my participant is a third-year student in EFL at Control University. I do them because they have just learned general translation, basic translation, and have more exposure to idioms than freshman or junior student. Since then, the experience with idiom translation have also become more realistic. And that's also my proposal. Thank you for listening.